Alright, what's up? This is like a super last minute video. It's warm today. The sun came out. It's been raining for like the past 3 weeks, but the sun came out. It's actually like beautiful. So, yeah. I ended up getting a new drone like last week. Might help if I bring it up. And it is this bad boy, the DJI FPV. So I've been practicing like FPV for the past 4 or 5 months, like with a simulator on my computer. I've been trying to get better at it because learning to fly it is actually pretty hard, a lot harder than you think. So I've been practicing, and you know, it's warm weather, so I figured might as well just buy one and start flying. Now there are different FPV drones I could have gone for. There's a ton where you can build them yourself, or they have kits that come somewhat pre-assembled. I'm gonna be traveling a lot this year, and the batteries on those aren't the easiest to travel with, from my understanding. I could be wrong, but this is just lithium-ion batteries, nothing crazy to them. You can just travel with them, no problem, don't have to worry about it. Anyways, I'm gonna get this all set up, get all the settings ready, because I tried this the other day, just in my bedroom to set it up, and I don't know, it was confusing. So I'm gonna try and get it all set up, and then I'm out in the marsh right now. The sun's gonna set soon, so we'll try and get some nice views. I also forgot to mention, the way you fly FPV is with like VR goggles. So these are the DJI, I don't even know the name of these. They're just like DJI like VR goggles. It's not like technically VR. Works in the same way. Anyways, you just put these over and you're looking out the camera of the drone, and your controls are completely different from a normal drone because now you can do flips and everything. It's a lot harder to learn, so that's why. Anyways, let's get to it. So the way I launch drones every single time, I just open my sunroof and put the drone out, and I can just launch it from the top. I love it. I don't even have to get out of my car. Like, I can recline, you know, I can vibe. It's a good time. Anyways, hopefully I don't crash. I put it in full manual mode this time. I tried it once, like just in basic mode, but it was just their automatic mode, which doesn't let you crash essentially. But this one is full control. So I might just throw away all my money here. Who knows? We'll see. Sun is setting as we speak, so I'm gonna get this thing up in the air, and yeah, let's see what I can do. Okay, put it into manual mode. Oh, okay. Dope. Here we go. Got a full battery. Oh, wow! That was incredible. Whew. I'm an idiot for that one. I am such an idiot for that shot. But my goodness, that was incredible. Holy crap. getting a little close for my liking. Oh, we just gotta get used to it. Oh, that sounds so sick when it flies by. Whew. I want to do that again. I literally just want to hear what it sounds like when it flies by. Oh wow, that sounds incredible. All right, well, battery's low. That's all she wrote. We got 6 minutes out of that. Oh man, but that was crazy. I never want to fly that close to anything again. That was a little intense. Crazy. All right, well, what did we learn today? We learned that I can fly manual mode without crashing. Pretty good. We also learned I'm an idiot and I see somewhat of an obstacle and I go for it because I'm an idiot, you know? You know what else we learned today? Not to go fast on your longboard on dirt because I absolutely fell off of mine and ripped my whole right side up. It was a good time. So, you know what? Today's just been a day full of lessons. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna set my regular drone up, get some cool shots, and I'm heading to New York tomorrow. Stay tuned for that.